start with the 5 basic notes there. Once you have those 5, we just add the riff to each one. Start slow and then we speed up. 2, sing up a scale and up one more. I'm gonna set my own tempo here, but if you want to set your own later on in the video or on your own time, you absolutely may. It'll sound like step or slow down where you want in this run. Those runs on any vowel, you absolutely may. A, E, I, O, U, any one that you would like. Lastly, whenever you're working on runs or trills or just vocal elements in your songs or ornamentations, I do recommend what I did at the very beginning, and I recommend slowing it down and breaking down the runs. If you can't do it fast, you can't do it slow. For example, a song I've had to sing in the past is Dolly Parton's I Will Always Love You. And the opening is filled with nothing but riffs. It's kind of like another version of the national anthem where everybody can just riff everywhere. But if I were singing this and I wanted to put riffs in here or runs or any kind of ornamentation, if I would say your way. So mine was your way. I'm really just doing one note change from here to here. Your way, way. The natural, sorry. Your way. And I would do it over and over again till it felt comfortable. Then I could add it in. And I could slow down the whole thing if I wanted. I would only be in your way, so I'll go. So again, just slowing things down. And of course, if I had to go on and wanted to add more riffs or runs, and again, I could slow any of these parts down. If you're working on a specific song, let me know down below in the comments. Be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed and let us know what you want to see next here at K Music Studios. Happy singing!